Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert your personal Pinterest account into a business account. It's very quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Now, all you have to do is go to bottom right corner and tap on save. Now go to top left corner and select your user icon. Under that, scroll down and go to add account. Now once you do that, you have to scroll down again and select that manage accounts. Once you select that manage account, you can see there are options like personal information, email, password, convert to a business account, app sounds, etc. You have to select convert to a business account. Then simply tap on convert account. Now all you have to do is add a profile name, tap on next. If you have a website, you have to give your website URL or tap on new website yet. Then describe a business, then tap on next. Now the last step is to answer the question, would you ever be interested in running ads on Pinterest? Select one of those options and tap on next. And guys, that's it. That's how you convert your personal Pinterest account into your business Pinterest account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.